Alright guys, I just want to do a quick video on a repair for the ZG123S Kubota Zero Turn. The other day I was cutting grass, I went to engage the blades and nothing happened. So let me show you what I found wrong and how to fix it. So this is the electric clutch. This will engage your mower blades. If you look directly underneath the back of your mower, you're going to see this. This is bolted directly to your PTO shaft. Your belt goes here, of course. So this here is called the PTO stop. It goes right here, and this bolts right to your chassis. This keeps everything from spinning when you engage your clutch. So all the torque when you're mowing is all dependent on this arm right here. It's a very poor design. I would have made more arms at least, or a way to directly bolt it to here to keep this thing from you know, going back and forth. But this is the old one, so when that hook broke, this spun around, tore my plugs apart. The other half that's on the mower side pulled it right off. I don't know where it's at. So I got these two wires just sitting there. So what I'm going to have to do here is cut it, strip it, and just tie them together. I could have bought some aftermarket plugs and wires connected to it and just connect it here. But I forgot to get it. So for now I'm just going to cut it and strip it and connect it. So that's it, guys. This is the arm. It's called the PTO clutch stopper. I'll put the part number to this in the description for the new one. So let's get this mounted and connected, and this on there, bolted to the chassis, and we'll see how it works. Alright, so let's put this back on. Now this long side here, this long side goes towards the front of the mower. I had to line that key up. Okay. Now it's best to use an impact wrench for this. That should do it. Alright, so now we're going to put the new arm, or the stopper. You would put that inside that slot first, and then put it up into the chassis. And we're going to just tighten that up. Okay. And that's all that's holding it. Personally, not a good design. They would have been better off building a plate or something and bolting it right to the sucker. But this is not a good design, because now I know in roughly 200 hours I'll be replacing this and this. Alright guys, when you get underneath here, the next thing we need to do is put our belt back on, of course. And so underneath here you're going to have this pulley right here. Now this pulley is going to relieve the tension. So we need to bring this back this way while we're putting the belt back on here. So I'm relieving that pulley. I'm pulling that pulley back. There. Alright guys, I got my wires connected. It doesn't matter which wire goes where, so we should be ready. Alright, let's let this down. The moment of truth. Ready, here we go.